Mapas Bartolore. Hans Grayson Flores Amable, RSM 32.
Ay, ang mga official.
Allen M. Sahol, RSM 06. J. Solis Calcico, RSM 22.
Officer, di na
The
mga
Vice
officer.
Chairman and the
Apil.
Chairman of the Board,
Basta gitawag mo.
Romualdo A.
Basta gitawag mo.
Briosos, RSM 60.
Ha? Wala pa? Ah, sige, alat lang sa.
May lamot siguro. Ha?
Officer lang.
Ah, officer na dahil.
Ah, sige, ligot lang sa.
Pero pogi. Pero mga pogi lang.
Narampog yun. Hi, sir. Hi. Ah, si John Coloro sa di. Hi.
The installation of Recon chapter officers and the members of the board of directors or 1077 is a solemn occasion. May I request the audience to refrain from clapping applause unless you are told to do so.
The Board of Directors is composed of you, Romualdo Briosos, RSM 60, J. Solis Cansico, RSM 22, Allen M. Sahol, RSM 06, Hans Grayson Flores Amable, RSM 32, Ricky Lumapas Bartolore, Maricar O. Panal, RSM 81, and Joselito Mabasa Mandabon, RSM 60. The duly elected members of the board, the business of policy legislative is conducted and decided upon by the board of directors. So you are assuming significant responsibilities for your chapter. You determine the chapter activities, approve the budget and expenditures, approve admission of new members, and formulate disciplinary processes. You are also tasked to craft legislative policies for the overall advancement of your chapter. So by the power vested in me as the National Board of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as the Board of Directors of Recon Smart Communication Chapter.
May I call on the public information officers of Recon Smart Communication Chapter to please come forward and stand in front of the Board of Directors. May I call Cherry Piamonte, RSM 33. As Public Information Officer, you are responsible for the good relationship between Recon and the public and inform them of your chapter activities as well as determine the necessary services the community may need through the application of speedy communication with the use of ham radios. You are also charged in the administration of the chapter internet and social media correspondence, ensuring the proper online conduct to maintain and protect the Recon name. Cherry Piamonte, RSM 33. By the power vested in me as the National Executive of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as the Public Information Officers of Recon Smart Communication Chapter. The Base Manager, Norberto Calayugan Duran, RSM 08. Please come forward. As Base Manager, you are responsible in the maintenance of radio and communications equipment, as well as the setting of policies for proper use. You are also directly responsible for the conduct of your assigned base operator and see to it that policies and protocols of NTC and PHPCs are properly observed. Norberto Calayugan Duran, RSM 08. By the power vested in me as the National Executive of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as the Base Manager of Recon Smart Communication Chapter. The Auditor, Alan Alahoya Rasman, RSM 70. Please come forward, sir. As auditor of the chapter, you are charged to audit the financial report of the chapter treasurer and witness the inventory of equipment and properties of the chapter. It is also your duty to review revenues generated by the chapter through fundraising events and other income-generating activities. Alan Aluya Rasman, RSM 70. By the power vested in me as the National Executive of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as the Auditor of Recon Smart Communication Chapter. The Treasurer, Rosalie Tonyacao Abier, RSM 03. As Treasurer, you have been elected to an office demanding not only absolute integrity, but also financial capability. It is your task to collect membership and other dues, deposit the funds to your chapter's designated bank, and disburse them pursuant to the fiscal policies approved by the Board of Directors. You are also charged for the general safekeeping of all funds generated or given to the chapter as grant or donation. Rosalie Tonyacao Javier, RSM 03. By the power vested in me as the National Executive of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as Treasurer of Recon Smart Communication Chapter. May I call the Secretary, Ginaline K. Panal Jimeno. Assistant, Marilo Gutierrez Torres. Vice Governor for Administration, Gualberto Flores Amable, RSM 11. As Vice Governor for Administration, you are charged with the internal workings of the organization. It is your duty to ensure the harmonious relation between and among chapter members or 41s. Recommend for the suspension and or expulsion of unerring members and endorse to the chapter governor and the board of directors any and all acts of chapter members you may deem worthy of commendation or merit. You may also be called from time to time to settle disputes between and among chapter members. Above all, it is your responsibility to keep the fire of enthusiasm burning for each chapter member and endeavor to lift their spirits and encourage their involvement in all Recon activities. Gualberto Flores Amable, RSM 11, by the power vested in me as the National Executive of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as Vice Governor for Administration of Recon Smart Communication Chapter. Julito Gakrama Baricuatro, RSM 18, Vice Governor for Operation. As Vice Governor for Operation, you are charged with the operational aspects of the hire, which include but are not limited to civic actions or CBAC and special projects. As Chief Operations, you have the authority to obligate all participating 41s to follow the necessary protocols such as proper dress code, behavior, punctuality, radius courtesy, and others. It is also your duty to disallow a member from participating in the activity pursuant to the policies set forth by the BOD and duly ratified by the Chapter General Assembly. It is likewise your task to ensure the safety and well-being of all members 41s deployed in the field during operations and to double-check that they made it home safely by checking in for the regular evening net of the chapter. During field operation, you must be the first to arrive and the last one to leave. Julito Baricuatro, by the power vested in me as National Executive of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as Vice Governor for Operations of Recon Smart Communication Chapter. May I call the Chapter Governor of Recon Smart Philippines Communication to please come forward. Raymond Paul Moreno, Dolao Moreno. As Chapter Governor, you have been elected to the highest position that can be bestowed upon by your chapter. It is an office of great honor, but also with great responsibilities. To no small degree, the success of your chapter in the days ahead will depend largely on the kind of leadership you initiate within your chapter. How you maintain a good working relationship with the BOD and a healthy rapport with your chapter officers and members. As chapter governor, you are entitled to sit in each working committee, but you must not impose your will upon them or dictate how the flow of business must proceed. Do not assume the duties and responsibilities of your officers and committees. Instead, you must strive to be an inspiration and role model for each member to work diligently on any given task. As chapter governor, you are the face of Recon within your area of responsibility, as well as the signatory to all agreements and contracts entered into by your chapter. It is also your name that will be called to the meetings with the PNPCS, NTC, AFP, OCD, and local government units, among others. And even on the media interviews, when the need arises, you are also duty-bound to always remind each and every one in your chapter of Recon is not politically inclined group, and that we volunteer our radio communication facilities to serve the community, not to promote our self-interest. Finally, I urge you to accept this challenge and make it your goal of making your chapter better and your activities more meaningful and memorable for each member. Your chapter achievements will serve as a valuable legacy not only for your members but mostly to the community at large. Raymond Doldolao Moreno, by the power vested in me as the National Executive Officers of Recon Philippines Incorporated, I now formally install you as the Chief Executive Officers of Recon Smart Communication Chapter. And I sincerely hope that your administrative term of office will be far exceed the limits of your expectation. May I call the candle bearer to collect the candle? Please sit up. May I request to distribute your top office? May I now call the national officers in A04 of Recon Philippines Incorporated to conduct an oath-taking ceremony of newly installed officers of Recon Chapter.
Please raise your right hand. Please state your name. I, after having been elected as of Recon Smart Communication Chapter, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully and continuously subscribe to its policies, rules and regulations, and I willfully accept with humility and respect the honor and privileges accorded to its members. I pledge to perform and fulfill all my duties, responsibilities, and obligations to the best of my ability, and heartily participate in the activities of Recon, and translate the ideas of community service into a living reality in my profession, in my business, and in my personal community life. And that I impose this obligation upon myself without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. So by the power vested in me, I hereby officially declare you as the new set of officers of Recon Smart Communication Chapter for the year 2025 to 2027. And please allow me to extend my handshake to you and to fellowship congratulations.
Congratulations, Hi, Ma'am.
Organize pa. Mag-orient pa.
Gani ba?
Nagpabatoon na ang mga gwapo ni picture.
Ay, katakula.
Congratulations to all of us, no? So, yan ang aking mga...
Mayang gabi and congratulations sa akong mga igsuon, our newly installed officers of Record Smart and also our newly inducted members and chartered Record Smart. Mabuhay ang Record Smart!
Bye!
So, daghang salamat sa maging new member nato sa Recon Philippines, ang Record Smart as of this July date karon? July date July 20, 2025. You are the new baby of Recon Philippines, and I hope that more years to come for Recon Smart. So, we see each other from time to time.
Mga gwapo.
Patay mga maayong mga kalihukan na makatabang pa sa komunidad. At this juncture, also would like to extend our congratulations coming from our National President,